Hi everyone, good morning. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Mahalakshmi Mandve. I'm from Kittur. I have studied YSP Memorial Central Hindu English Medium School, Kittur. I completed my PUC in RGS Government PU College, Kittur. Present, I am studying in BCA 5th SEM at CSI College of Commerce, Dharwad. My hobbies are reading interesting stories, listening, speaking, dancing, and my strengths are I am a self motivator and positive thinker. And my short term goal is to get a job in a reputed company. And my goal is to I stand in a greater position. That's all about me. Thank you. Next, we will start about today's topic. My topic is object references in Python programming language, known for its simplicity, readability, and flexibility. Created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991, Python has become one of the most popular languages worldwide, appreciated by beginners and the professionals. So, Python is a powerful high level programming language known for its simplicity. It is very simplicity, it is very reliability, and it is very flexibility to create and the programs. Conclusion, we are discussing about the conclusion. The concepts of references in a Python is a crucial aspects of how the Python manages memory and handles variables. Key concepts like mutable versus immutable objects and shallow and deep copies, garbage collections, and weak references are essential for writing the efficient Python code and understanding how the objects are managed in a memory. This is all about object references in Python. Thank you, one and all. So here are some key concepts of references in Python. The concepts of object references in Python is central to how the variables and objects interact in a memory. Python uses reference to manage the objects rather than directly storing objects in a variables. Here are the key concepts related to object references in Python. So next we will discussing about object identity. Every object in a Python has a unique identity, which is the memory address where the object is stored. You can check the identity of an object using the id function, which returns the memory address of the object. For example, a is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, b is equal to a. Print id of a same as the id of b because both pointing to the same object. If we create two objects with the identical content, they may still reside in a different locations in memory. Here, one more example. A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, b is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Here print id of a is equal to id of b. This is false because they are different objects in memory. Okay, so here they both are different objects in memory. Okay, so next we will discussing about equality versus identity. Equality is equal to checks whether two objects have the same value. Identity is checks whether two variables refers to the same object in a memory, whether they are the same object. For example, a is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, b is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Print a is equal to b, then it is true because the contents of a and b are equal. Then print a is b, that is false because they are different objects in memory. Print a is a c, that is also true because c is refers to the same object. Okay, so we are finding the equality and equality versus identity. Equality versus identity means here we are printing the a. Printing the a is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, b is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Print a is equal to b, that is true because the content of the a and b are equal. Print a is b, false because they are different objects in memory. So we are assigning the value c is equal to a. Okay, we are printing a is c, that is true because because A and C refers to the same object. Okay. Conclusion. We are discussing about the conclusion. The concepts of references in a Python is a crucial aspects of how the Python manages memory and handles variables. Key concepts like mutable versus immutable objects and shallow and deep copies, garbage collections, and weak references are essential for writing the efficient Python code and understanding how the objects are managed in a memory. This is all about object references in Python. Thank you, one and all.